He just wanted you to listen to ringtone. Have you already heard this?
Oh, this one. Why?
So loud! Wait, where did Alonso go?
Oh yeah,
Master?
I've heard this because you showed me and Shiba when we were.
Exactly.
Yeah, you showed
I'm free!
you showed me and Shiba when we were in the Dave and Buster's eating food.
Yeah.
Hey, Jose, who has called you with my ringtone?
No one, bro. No one calls me.
That
No, okay,
that
Joseph.
sucks.
Hey, I call you! You just never answer!
I got this ringtone like, oh my goodness.
What the fuck is that?
Which
ISF.
kill yourself.
Yo, give him, put him to the ET, bro.
Oh my goodness. Yes, and this is why I'm turning my ringtone volume to
Yo!
0.
Bro, this guy I called did not pick up, bro. With the buns. I needed to tell him something.
I see you calling me. I already muted.
Bro!
I already muted it.
Bro, this guy I was calling did not answer, bro. I had something important to say.
Damn, that's so unfortunate.
Oh my god.
Thank you, bro.
Oh my god. I said you should go out in the public, bro, and then like have one of us call you, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna start calling you, even if you're right next to me, Jin.
I'm gonna start calling you in the asset or something, bro.
I'm gonna call you when you're sleeping, bro.
I'm gonna call you in the movie.
Bond. Other bonds.
So you're not
You're gonna wake
escaping.
up to 50 missed calls every day, bro.
I'm about to go in the bathroom and then call you.
Other bonds, bro.
You're gonna wake up to 50 missed calls every day, bro. 100. All from 100 each from different people.
From 3 different people.